Hello everybody, today we are going to be talking about deep cleaning. Let's start with a couple facts we know about cleaning. Did you know that cleaning reduces stress levels? And a clean environment actually does help your immune system? Or did you know that being in a clean environment actually reduces the amount of stress that you feel? So now let's hop into cleaning at CCA. When it comes to cleaning, the things you want to take note of are the stovetop, the countertop, the stove, the microwave, and most importantly, the mirrors, as well as the floors. You're going to need a couple of cleaning supplies, like a cleaning kit, and also vacuums, maybe some Swifters, and some paper towels, and most importantly, trash bags. You can get all of these at the CCA office. You just need to bring your ID card, and you're good to go. And now we're going to move to the actual cleaning of stuff, so let's go.
This is that one. This couldn't happen again. This is that one.